Hey everyone.
It's spring, and we are starting to receive our bare root trees and plants orders. Today we have gotten 2 pear trees, and the varieties are Hero Delight and Potomac. We also have these bare root raspberry canes, asparagus roots, and strawberry roots. These plants and pear trees are looking absolutely healthy and so ready to be planted. Both of these pear trees are about 5.5 inches tall and they are in great health. Let us open the roots of these trees and take a look at them. Here are these roots of these 2 trees. They are just wonderful and very healthy looking root system. We are very happy with these trees. Now what happens when we start receiving these orders is that our planting space may not be ready just yet, and we may not have time to plant all of them on the same day. Since these are bare root plants, we have to keep them from dying till we plant them, and usually that window is very short. So what we need to do is to store these bare root plants and trees till we get to plant them. Today we'll show you 2 ways of storing them which we used last year. First method is useful for short-term storage when you know you're going to plant these in next couple of days. The second method will allow you to store them for longer duration, in some cases up to a month. Let's begin with first method, which is to store these for a day or 2 or at the max a week. This is the most common method. What you want to do is you want to use some recycled paper like A4 size papers or newspapers and either shred them or tear them. Either way is fine. Then you want to moisten them with water. We don't want them to be soaking wet, so it is okay to have some of these papers still dry, because when you will put them together, they will absorb the moisture from the ones that got too wet and will maintain balance. Now you want to take these moist shredded paper and you want to partially wrap your bare roots in these. So I have these strawberry stubs here and I'm just going to put it on this newspaper and roughly wrap it around. Another way of doing it is to just spray the roots with water. I don't have a sprayer right now, so I'm just sprinkling water on it. Once you're done, just shake off the excess water. You want it to be moist but not soaking wet. Then you put it inside a Ziploc. Once I have this bundle created, I will put it back in a Ziploc or plastic bag and I'll fold it to keep the roots moist. Now I can store it in my refrigerator for up to a week or in a cool place such as an unheated garage for 2 to 3 days. We can use the same moist shredded papers technique for raspberry roots as well as for larger tree roots. Last year, when we received our plum tree, we couldn't plant it out immediately. So we wrapped its roots in a large amount of moist shredded newspaper and stored for 2 days in our garage. That tree is growing all hale and healthy in our yard.
If you're finding value in this video so far, please do boop the like button to show your support.
Now let's look at the second method of storing these plants. We will start with raspberry plants. We have this large container and I'm going to take top 1/3 of the soil mix out of it. Now we are going to roughly place all of these 6 raspberry plants in this container. We won't worry about spreading the roots right now. Once done, we will put the soil we took out back in this planter, making sure all the roots of these 6 plants are covered well. It rained a lot this week here, due to which this soil mix is already moistened. Otherwise, I would water it well at this point. From here on, till we get time to plant these plants in their final location, we will water this planter just as we would if we were to keep these plants here. We are going to repeat the same process for the pear trees, the asparagus and strawberry stubs. You don't need any special soil recipe for these containers as long as whatever you have in them has good drainage. You also don't need to add any plant food because these will hold your plants only for some time. We have this coarse compost in our containers. What happens now is that these plants don't have their roots out in the air. The roots are in soil, which is their natural environment. This keeps them from drying out and slowly allows them to start their growth process. And at the same time, it buys you more time to prepare your planting area, because now you don't have to worry about the bare root plant as it is not bare root anymore. It has a temporary home and they can easily stay here for up to a month. They can be left like this longer too, but at that point it may start impacting the fruit production of the plant, as they do need their space to produce optimum fruit. It is still work to prepare these containers, but it is less amount of work than digging 6 holes in ground, which is soaking wet with spring rain right now. Once holes are dug out in the ground and we are ready to plant these plants, we will simply get them out of the container, Shake the soil off and plant them. These plants would behave like the plants we buy from nursery, which are already in containers. The best thing is you don't lose growth time on these plants because they would start growing. Last year we used this approach with blackberry canes and it worked wonderfully for us. Do leave us comments if you have any tips on how you store your plants. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.
We are on Instagram as well, so do follow us there. Thanks for watching.